Hello again, Ms. Julie here with another craft or story from the public library. Today we'll be making little glow bugs. You'll need 3 or 4 pipe cleaners, an Easter egg, permanent marker, maybe some Google Eyes, and a little flameless candlelight or maybe some other little lighting device. If you didn't get the kit, you may need an X-Acto blade, a pair of scissors, and perhaps a glue gun. Okay, let's get started. If you get the kit from the library, it'll already have the holes drilled in it. If you have to drill the holes in it yourself, you can do that with an X-Acto blade by just reaming the little holes in it. But get an adult to do that, because that's that's difficult, and I don't want anybody to get hurt. So, but like I said, if you get one from the library, it's already got the holes in place. And it'll have 2 sets of 3 in a row like this, so that you have 6 legs out of the bottom. And it has 1 set of holes on top, 2 of them, for the antenna and the wings. So I decided I'm going to make his legs purple, because I love purple. That's my favorite color. Now, to make the legs, you don't need it to be this long, so you just need it to be like half that long. So you take it and you cut them in half. And you only need 3. So you'll have a leftover. You can get rid of that or use it on your next bug. And then you'll have the legs. And you just feed the legs through the little holes in the egg. They stick out from the inside, so you'll have to feed them in from the inside. So get a look at that and pull them through like that. And you'll have, and that's one set of legs. And you'll make the second set of legs. And there he is. Now he's got 4 legs. And the last ones go in the head piece. And the holes are the same on the top and the bottom, so it doesn't matter which ones you do so much. Okay, and see, that will give him 6 legs when you're done. Then you want to make the antenna. I'm going to make the antenna black. Now, this is another one where you only need half of it. So I'm going to cut it right here. And then we'll take these and set them aside for the next bug. And I'm going to put the antenna through. Now, this is the hole these are the holes. I hoped I made them a little bit bigger, because you have to fit the wings and the antenna through that top hole. And I think it'll be fine. And I'm going to make the antenna, I'm going to make the wings blue, like the body of the bug. So this goes through the same hole, like I said before, like that. And this is the long pipe cleaner, so that you can make the wings out of it very easily. And just try to sort of make them kind of even. If you make them kind of even, then the wings will be the right size. Then you just flip it around to make a loop. And once again, you feed this little end back through that same hole, and it pokes on the inside, and you just fold it over. And then you've got a wing. And you do the same thing with this one. Poke it through the same hole, and it pokes out on the inside, and you just fold it under like that. And then you bring the wings around back, and you let's flip that around. You kind of lay them down so that they're like off his little back. And then you want to curl his little antenna. The way to do that is to just kind of make it like this. You can have them stick straight too if you don't want to curl them. But I like to curl them because I think they look funny that way and cute. So I kind of curl them a little bit forward and a little bit to the side. And then they look like that. So you got your wings and you got your front legs. Now, before I put him together, I like to put a face on him. So I'm going to give him a cute little smile. Like that. And I'm going to give him some little eyebrows way up here, like that. So he's got little eyebrows and a little smile. Now those look kind of like eyes, like he's smiling super, super hard. But it doesn't have to be like that. Take some eyeballs. These have sticky stuff on them. The ones that we give out at the library, you have to peel the back off of it to get the sticky stuff, to expose the sticky edge. So now he's got eyes, see? He's got a little smile, he's got little eyes, little eyebrows, little antenna, little wings, and now you want to curl his legs up properly. So he fits together like that, and then you just sort of curl his legs. So you give him like a little bendy knee maybe, and then little feet, little bendy knee, and maybe little feet. So he's got little legs like that. And the second one, you get those, second row. Now you got wings, ones like that. And then you do the next one. And you do the last set like that. So now he's got 6 legs. Now, if this is loose, because at the library we made the holes kind of big and they're kind of loose, you might want to glue gun them. Be careful when you glue gun it. You don't want to get burned, and you don't want to make it so that you can't fit the little glow in him. He needs the little glow light. See this little guy? You stick that inside of him, like that. Gotta snap him together. And then he has his little glowing behind, like that. And there you have it, little glow bugs. One has a tea light in it, and the other one has one of those little devices that's inside a bouncy ball that lights up when you bounce it. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you come back for more crafts and stories from the public library.